Oh, I'm talking.
It's your idea. You're gonna
All
talk.
right. So we just left some family for what? We were there for a month and headed to the Hershey RV Show.
Yeah. And now the light screening.
So we'll have people pull right out in front of us, and
But it's okay. RVs are the bad drivers.
yeah, bring you guys along for the ride and for some of the show while we're there.
We're leaving Maryland, heading into Delaware.
Yeah.
Then into Pennsylvania.
Yes.
I didn't skip any states.
I don't think so.
I was an art major. I don't do math or geography.
Just follow the GPS. Someone brought their yard with them. It's a new way to go RVing.
Can't pivot my wrist like that.
Pivot! Pivot!
Pivot! You had me start filming way too early.
I thought we'd get a green light by now. It's okay. People can just hang out with us. They can be our friends.
It's boring. Nobody wants to watch a YouTube video of people sitting in
this
traffic.
stoplight.
People don't like sitting in traffic. They don't want to sit with us sitting in traffic.
Come hang out with us while we sit at a red light.
Yeah, we
Green
have a
light! Almost there.
Maryland, Maryland,
Maryland,
Maryland,
Maryland,
Maryland,
Maryland, Maryland,
Maryland,
Maryland, Maryland, Maryland, Maryland, Maryland, Maryland, Maryland, Delaware! After also making it from Delaware to Pennsylvania, we finally got to the park.
We good.
Getting video of your hat. You got it riding like a little cowboy hat.
That's right.
Where are we going?
Dead end.
We seem to run into a lot of dead ends at the RV show.
It's the problem when you have me as a navigator.
We'll walk down an aisle and it just stops. After touring fancy RVs all day, we found some behind velvet ropes, and instantly it became too big for our britches.
Went down 4 points.
Is that fancy? Is that something that they say?
I camped in Oxford last summer.
Pennsylvania.
How are you enjoying the Hershey Show?
I love it. There's so many poor people walking around. Not sitting right now, are you? Where's he coming? See you later. I didn't know that that's what it
It won't go back up.
Are you out there?
I think that's a outdoor movie screen.
Oh no, the paw's back. We need to pack up and go. It's a good thing we have a van. Off to the next warm-up parking lot for me. Back to Connecticut. Only stay the night in Target parking lots.
And the best part about the Hershey RV Show is the fact that you can walk right over and go to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Sam has a thing for Harry Potter, so she's a little obsessed.